In a previous video, we looked at accessing the apps on a Newline Interactive Flat Panel. Today we are going to focus on one particular app that seems to be underutilized. I'm Meggan Hoffmann, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Specifically, we are looking at the Newline Classroom Tools app. If you don't have it added to the Quick Access toolbar, you can find it in the apps. This app has several features that are quick and easy to access during any lesson. We'll peek at each of the features. First, instructions. You can see there are several options of instructions you can have posted on your IFP. The traffic light is available to help with classroom management. Click Dice to open and roll up to 6 dice at a time for your classroom activity. The QR code allows you to make a quick QR code to any website. The timer allows you to set a timer for up to 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. The stopwatch has the ability to time laps or splits. Quick check a date on the calendar feature. Zoom in on a specific part of your screen with the zoom in feature. The spotlight feature can help to focus students' attention on a specific area of your screen. You can adjust the opacity with the slider at the bottom. The curtain is just for fun, I think. With the clock feature, you can show up to 8 clocks. This could be useful when learning about different time zones. And the spinner can be customized with names by long pressing on the fruit that is added by default and typing in a new name. Note, changes made to the spinner will not be remembered when you exit the spinner. It automatically goes back to apple and banana. As you may have noticed, all of these features can be resized and moved on your screen. They also layer on top of anything else you are presenting on your Newline IFP. You can also minimize the classroom tools so that they are resting in the corner until you need them. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube. And remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Open up the Newline Classroom Tools when you need a quick timer or other tool during your lesson.